In this video I will show you a process I oftentimes use to create realistic props fast. In this example, a door. In Blender, add a reference image and choose the door you want to model. Alt R to reset the rotation and pull the image down a bit. From the top view, add a plane and scale it to fit the left side of the door. In edit mode, inset the face to match this outer frame. Extrude the inner face down and repeat the same thing we just did for these smaller frames in the middle. For that, you first need to add some extra edge loops. Again, inset and extrude the middle face. Inset it another time and adjust the vertices to match the image. Pull the face up a bit and again extrude it. To add some more details to the frames, let's press Ctrl B to bevel them, but change the width type to %. Then set the profile type to custom and try to somewhat match what we are seeing. It definitely does not have to be perfect. Increase the segments for more details. Let's do the same for the outer frame. As a last step, add some thickness. For the other side, we can just duplicate what we already have and adjust the vertices to match the image more closely. To add the door frame, let's take some geometry we already have and separate it into its own object. Then just model what you see. To add the lock, just model the basic shape, the rest will be taken care of by the texture. Same with these door handles. I'm just extruding a cylinder a bit, trying to roughly match the shape. For the other side, just again duplicate what we have and change it to match the underlying image. Let's combine everything and apply the scale. Activate Auto Smooth to fix the shading. In top view, with everything selected, press U, project from view. In the UV editor, the scale and placement is way off. So let's just match one corner, place the 2D cursor there and move the pivot point to the 2D cursor. Now it's much easier to just scale it on the different axes and match it for the whole image. With that, create a new material and add an image to the base color. Select the door image. To fix the stretching on the side, select it and press U, cube projection, and move the UVs to some place on the door. Let's also add a bevel to the outer frame. In the material, plug the texture into the roughness input and use the color ramp to tweak it to your liking. Select all metal parts, duplicate the main material and assign it to these parts, then turn up the metal slider. To fix the wood underneath the door handles, just drag these UVs to a different location. You can also use the texture as a bump map. In my case though, this doesn't really change much, but in other cases this might be necessary. With this method you can quickly create many kind of things, not just doors.